Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Zero Electric DSR. This is a 13.0 kilowatt, the longer range. It also is equipped with the charge tank. That's about a $2,500 option. Allows you to charge this bike up at all the universal charging stations. Make your electric motorcycle dreams come true with this beautiful 2017 brand new Scorpion Trail dual purpose tires. This bike is ready to go, priced to sell quickly at only $10,990. That's about $7,000 off the price of a new one. Come by, only 8,400 miles on this gorgeous Zero DSR electric, automatic transmission. Turn the key and go. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.